Walking the course is one of the purest ways to enjoy golf, but only if your gear works with you, not against you. That's why choosing the best golf bags in 2025 matters more than ever. Modern golf bags now feature ultra-lightweight materials, ergonomic strap systems, better weight distribution, and weather-resistant construction designed specifically for walking players. This list is built for beginners who want comfort, enthusiasts who walk multiple rounds a week, and even serious players who demand tour-level performance without the tour-level price. Whether you're looking for an affordable golf bag, a high-performance golf bag, or a top-rated golf bag optimized for walking, this guide has you covered. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. Wilson Feather Carry Stand Bag 2025. Performance. The Wilson Feather delivers impressive real-world comfort for casual and frequent walkers alike. Designed to reduce fatigue over long rounds, it balances weight evenly across the shoulders, making it ideal for 9-hole and full 18-hole walks. Technology and features. This bag features Wilson's updated self-activating stand system, lightweight carbon fiber legs, and a streamlined pocket layout. Moisture-resistant fabrics help protect gear, while the dual-strap carry system adjusts automatically to your posture as you walk. Design and build. Minimalist and clean, the Feather Carry focuses on function over flash. Stitching is solid, zippers glide smoothly, and the overall layout avoids unnecessary bulk, perfect for purists who value simplicity. Weight and portability. Weighing just under 4 pounds, this is one of the lightest golf bags for walking in 2025. Pros: comfortable dual strap system, simple uncluttered design, great entry-level walking bag. Cons: limited pocket space, not ideal for players carrying lots of accessories. Best for ideal use, perfect for beginners, juniors, or minimalists who prioritize weight and comfort. Price and value. Priced affordably, the Wilson Feather is one of the best budget-friendly golf bags in 2025, offering excellent comfort without a premium price tag. Final verdict: a lightweight classic that proves walking comfort doesn't need to be expensive. Number 4. TaylorMade FlexTech Superlite 4.0. Performance. Built for serious walking golfers, the FlexTech Superlite shines in balance and stability. It feels secure on uneven terrain and remains comfortable even late into the round. Technology and features. TaylorMade's FlexTech stand system minimizes club crowding and improves quick access. The 4-way top, self-adjusting straps, and weather-resistant materials create a polished, tour-inspired experience. Design and build. Sporty and modern with premium fabrics and reinforced stress points, it looks like a high-end bag because it is. Weight and portability. At approximately 4.2 pounds, it's still light enough for daily walking. Pros: excellent stand stability, premium materials, comfortable for long rounds. Cons: slightly pricier than entry-level options, limited cooler pocket. Best for golfers who walk often and want premium comfort without excessive weight. Price and value. Mid-range pricing delivers strong value for a high-performance golf bag from a trusted brand. Final verdict: a refined, reliable choice for serious walkers. Number 3. Pinghoofer Lite 2025. Performance. The Pinghoofer Lite continues to dominate walking courses worldwide. Known for exceptional balance and durability, it handles long rounds effortlessly. Technology and features. Updated back padding, a redesigned strap system, and a reinforced stand mechanism make this one of the most comfortable golf bags in 2025. Design and build. Rugged yet refined. Built to last multiple seasons with top-tier materials and excellent craftsmanship. Weight and portability. Around 4.5 pounds, slightly heavier but incredibly well balanced. Pros: legendary durability, excellent ergonomics, spacious pockets. Cons: not the lightest option, premium pricing. Best for dedicated walking golfers who play frequently and demand long-term reliability. Price and value. Higher price, but unmatched longevity makes it worth the investment. Final verdict, a masterclass in design for serious golfers. Number 2. Titleist Players 4 Carbon Stand Bag. Performance. Ultra-light and tour-inspired, the Players 4 Carbon feels almost weightless during a full round. Technology and features. Carbon fiber legs, premium double straps, and advanced weight distribution make this one of the most advanced golf bags for walking players in 2025. Design and build. Elegant, sleek, and unmistakably Titleist. Premium materials throughout. Weight and portability. An astonishing 3 pounds, one of the lightest on the market. Pros. Incredibly lightweight. Tour-level design. Excellent comfort. Cons. Limited storage. Premium price. Best for competitive golfers who walk every round and carry minimal gear. Price and value. Expensive, but justified for those who value ultra-light performance. Final verdict, a luxury walking bag done right. Number 1. Sunmountain 2.5 Plus Stand Bag 2025. Performance. This bag hits the perfect balance between weight, comfort, storage, and price, making it the best overall choice. Technology and features. Advanced X-strap system, high-strength lightweight fabric, excellent stand stability, and smart pocket placement. Design and build. Sporty, durable, and thoughtfully designed for real golfers. Weight and portability. About 3.8 pounds, ideal for daily walking. Pros. Best value overall. Excellent comfort. Great storage to weight ratio. Cons. Not ultra-premium styling. No built-in cooler. Best for most walking golfers, from beginners to low handicappers. Price and value. Outstanding value, offering premium performance at a mid-range price. Final verdict, the best golf bag 2025 for walking players, hands down. Many buyer's guide. Choosing the right golf bag comes down to how often you walk, how much gear you carry, and your budget. Want the lightest possible setup? Go with the Titleist Players 4 Carbon. Need long-term durability? The pinghoofer Lite is rock solid. On a budget? Wilson Feather Carry delivers comfort without overspending. Want the best all-around value? Sunmountain 2.5 is hard to beat. In 2025, the best golf bags for walking players prioritize ergonomics, smart storage, and lightweight materials, not flashy extras. Conclusion/CTA. And there you have it, the top 5 best golf bags for walking players in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment telling us which golf bag you would carry on to the course. Don't forget to check out our playlist on the best golf accessories 2025. Until next time, walk smart, play better, and enjoy the round.